Huwag ka mabarurong, ma'am. You do not know me from Adam.
Nalaman natin, meron talagang reward system.
Do not make me account for something which I cannot do
At merong pinanggagalingan yung pondo para dun sa reward system.
legally. That is not allowed by law.
Successful po ba ang war on drugs ninyo?
Successful, ma'am. Na-minimize yung drug. You are asking as if you are from the COA. Kailangan mo ng report, so you have to bring the papers. Ano? Hindi naman ako COA.
Ako po kasi nagtatanong dahil ako po ay pinapapatay ni dating Pangulong Duterte.
Eh, kung pinapatay kita, bakit buhay ka pa ngayon?
Kongresista na kaalyado ng mga NPA, mahaya naman tayo sa topic ng pagpatay dahil kayo mismo, hindi kayo nagsasalita sa pagpatay ng NPA sa mga pulis, sundalo at mamayang Pilipino. Sa NPA, nire-recruit ang mga kabataan para pabagsakin ang gobyerno at pumatay ng mga pulis, sundalo at tropa ng gobyerno.
Salamat, ma'am. Mr. Chair. Bawal po. Magtanong lang kayo ng magtanong. Ano? Pag sinabi kong campaign against drug, you do it as a police officer. Nag-aral ka naman ng 2 years basic, sinunod mo lahat, you should follow. Not if you go out of the way, I cannot answer for you.
Where do you draw the line of your responsibility in this war on drugs?
Because guilt is personal.
Yes, very personal.
You cannot entirely eradicate drugs because pang hanap buhay yan eh.
Mr. President, you are surrounded by, I believe, 4 lawyers.
Hindi ko na kailangan, ma'am.
Because you are a lawyer
I
yourself.
can take of myself. I can take care of
Yes.
myself. You're a lawyer?
Yes, Mr. President.
Oh,
I will talk slower.
Panyero, you talk slower.
Okay. Mr.
Maybe maganda ka ang English mo, pero fortunately, hindi naiintindihan.
Sa mga
Kung pumalakpak dito, kung gusto niyo pumalakpak doon kayo sa labas. Maaari ba?
What kind of thinking of that, Mr. Chair?
It's the right thinking.
I don't believe in you.
Yung former president ba ay willing na mag-cooperate sa investigation sa ICC?
I'm asking the ICC to hurry up. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal man, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. Am I that stupid? English yan. Ang Tagalog yan is ganun, ako gagago. Abogado ako, fiscal ako, ganun ako gagago.
Ang reported lamang po na namatay ay almost 20,000 to 30,000. So, were you disappointed on this, Mr.
Kulang.
Kulang?
Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Pwede, papayag ako, sampalin niyo ako, pero pirma muna kayo sa waiver.
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Ngayon na.
Noon pong persona, hinapitan niya ako, kinamayan pa niya ako,
i-clarify ko po ay kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban.
Correct.
Very incorrect po, I may say as a
Yes,
civilian,
it's
sa
not,
professional police.
That's your view, that.
It's not my view only, Mr. Chair. Thank you for putting it on record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, duman ako prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan
salamat
ang totoo
tayo, Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
the
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of the community. Kung pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor.
Silence, please.